Welcome to LAM's first birthday celebration.
Yes, hello guys, welcome back. So for today's video guys, a-attend tayo ng birthday celebration nila. And then dito na tayo sa venue. So backdrop check. Okay, so pasado. Picture with the siblings and kasama nila si Ate Hershey. Kompleto na. So, sasayaw na si Clyde. So, thank you so much for inviting us kasi nag-enjoy talaga ang mga bata.
Ben, what's your name? Kitty?
Yes, meron silang face paint. Siyempre, hello, Kitty. Oh, diba? You're so cute. And ayan, si Kuya Clyde is sa kanya Spider-Man. And si Kuya is alien.
Pangalan? Bilang edad? 28. Grabe ang edad ay 28. Dali lang, wala pa na nakuha ng live. Dali lang. Ay, tawalang sa kunaling kuranan.
And yes guys, so much fun with the magician ang tatlong kids natin dito. Ayan, nasa harapan talaga silang tatlo guys to witness the magic show. So enjoy na enjoy sila, and then si Kuya ang may karga kay Kitty. So nakikita mo talaga yung sense of responsibility ni Kuya. So every time malikot si Kitty, so kinukuha niya. So ganun. Parang masyado silang na-amaze talaga dito na part. So, minsan guys, napapaisip tayo na ayaw na lang natin dalhin yung mga bata sa party kasi ang lilikot nila. Pero guys, once makita mo yung saya sa kanilang mukha, so like lang ma-experience na ganito, once makita mo siya, as in, ang fulfillment talaga as parent guys, ang saya-saya talaga guys. So, tingnan nyo naman guys, first time nilang mag-bubble show ni Kuya. First time nilang makapasok sa sa bubble. So at least sabay-sabay silang tatlo na na-experience nila guys. And then ito, look at that. Enjoy na enjoy si Kitty. Actually second time niya na ito, pero parang amazed na amazed pa rin siya sa kanyang paint. And then yan sila, nagpipictorial na kami guys. Pa-end na ang party. So, thank you so much again for inviting us, Lam and family. So, next time again, thank you so much for this unforgettable experience.